Good morning, you all, and happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and were able to play, rest, and relax. I know that was pretty cold outside this past weekend, but I hope you guys were still able to play inside. I know that I finished a jigsaw puzzle, I painted a little bit, and I cut my hair. So it was a pretty eventful weekend. Today we are going to dig a little bit deeper into Clarence Works for Money. So I want you to get your story out. I want you to get your comprehension questions out that look like this, or they have just pictures, or it just has words. There's three different types of worksheets. All right, let's go ahead and get started, okay, friends? Let's see. All right. So we're going to reread Clarence Works for Money, but I'm going to read the highest level. So this may not be the same version of the copy that you have, and that is A-okay. Clarence Works for Money by Emily Weinberger. Can you show me where the title is? Good job. There's the title. The title is Clarence Works for Money. All right, good job. Clarence wants a new toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money to buy it. What do you think he's going to do to get money? Is he going to, is he going to do chores? Or is he going to have a balloon fight? Good job. He's going to do chores. Oh, wait, hang on. Sorry. How can Clarence get money? Clarence can get money if he does chores. He can do chores at his house. Clarence can get $2 if he washes the car. He washes the car outside. Clarence gets $2. So what is he using to wash the car? Good job. He's using water and hopefully soap. Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away food. He puts the food on the shelves. Clarence gets $2 more. So when it says in the story that he gets $2 more, that means he's adding $2 to the money that he already has earned. Clarence can get $2 more if he folds the clothes. He folds the clothes in the basket. Clarence gets $2 more. Can you show me which clothes are folded? Good job. These are the clothes that are folded. They are to Clarence's right. And they're nice and neatly stacked. Clarence can get $2 more if he washes the dishes. He washes the dishes in the sink. Clarence gets $2 more. So look, the dishes are in the sink. Clarence can get $2 more if he takes out the trash. So sorry. I can't seem to mute those. He takes the trash out to the trash can. Clarence gets $2 more. So let's see. Is he on top of the trash can? Or is he next to the trash can? Good job. He is next or beside the trash can. Clarence counts the money he got. He has $10 total. He has money to buy the toy truck. So let's count with our fingers. Put both of your hands up. We're going to count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has $10. Clarence buys the new toy truck. He counts his money again. He still has some money left. Look, it's $8 and he has 10. So how much money does he have left? Let's count. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And he is giving the cash register person $8, right? Because that's how much the toy truck is. So let's count 8. 1, 2, come on, 3, 4, 5, oh my goodness, 6, 7, 8. So he has $2 left. What should Clarence do with his money? Should he buy something else, or should he save it for later? All right, so we're done. We've read Clarence Works for Money. Did you like the story? You can either respond by yes or no. And guys, there is no right or wrong answer to this question. Some students may like the story and some may not, and that's a-okay. That is called an opinion, and everybody has one, right? All right, so now we're going to answer some questions about the story. So go ahead and get your questions worksheet out, okay? And it should look a little bit like this. And we're going to do this together, okay? So if you need to pause this video, if you need to rewind it and go back, that is perfectly fine. Do whatever you need to do. All right, so go ahead and put your name on this. I'll put my name. Miss Caroline. Good job. What does Clarence need? Does he need toys? Does he need money? Or does he need books? All right, guys, and if you don't know that question, we can always look back in our book and story and look back and see. What does Clarence need? Toys, money, or books? So let's see. I'm going to look at the title. Clarence works for money. So I know that this story is going to be about money, right? Oh my goodness, got too many tabs open. So he needs money.
Money.
Good job. Number 2. What can Clarence do to get money? Does he do chores? Does he run? Or does he sleep? Go ahead and look back in your book. Let's see. Let's go to page, oh my goodness. We're going to page 1. Look at the last sentence. Clarence needs money to buy it. Then go to page 2. He can do chores at his house. So what can he do to get money? Chores, run, or sleep? Good job. If you pressed chores or circled chores,
Chores.
you were right. Sorry, guys, my allergies are being crazy today. What does Clarence put away? Does he put away shoes? Does he put away towels? Or does he put away food? Let's see. I think I remember him folding towels and putting up food. So let's see. Oh, here it is. Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away food. So he is putting the food in the pantry. Does he put away shoes, towels, or food?
Food.
Good job. If you daubed or circled food, you are correct. Number 4. What does Clarence fold? Does he fold trash? Does he fold clothes? Or does he fold dishes? Let's see. I'm going to use my brain, and I'm going to use some clues to figure out how to figure out this answer. See, I know he can't fold trash because you put trash in the trash can, right? Does he fold clothes? You can fold clothes. I fold clothes after I wash them, and then I put them away. And can you fold dishes? No, you cannot fold dishes because they don't bend. So my answer would be to find clothes. Did you find it? Here it is.
Clothes.
Good job. What does Clarence buy? Does he buy a baseball? Does he buy a horn? Or does he buy a toy truck? Can you remember? All right, well, let's see. If you can't remember, that's okay. We will just again look back in our story, right? He wants to buy the toy truck. So go ahead and find toy truck.
Toy truck.
Good job! You answered all the questions to our story today. All right, friends, thank you so much for listening and thank you so much for paying attention. We're going to go into more detail about how Clarence works for money tomorrow. Thank you all for tuning in. Bye.